Thinking of starting a home improvement business in Singapore? With a strong property market and steady demand for renovation, repair, and upgrade services, Singapore offers excellent opportunities for home improvement entrepreneurs. First, define your service scope. Will you focus on renovation works, carpentry, painting, flooring, handyman services, or end-to-end home improvement solutions? A clear offering helps you stand out in a competitive market. Next, set up your business structure. Most home improvement companies register a private limited company and ensure compliance with contractor registrations, workplace safety standards, and relevant building regulations. Invest in skilled workers, proper tools, and strong project management systems. Quality workmanship, safety compliance, and reliable timelines are key to building a solid reputation. Finally, grow your business through digital marketing, referrals, and showcasing completed projects to attract new clients. Ready to start your home improvement business in Singapore? 3E Accounting Singapore can help with company incorporation, compliance, and financial planning. Visit our website to get started today.